In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Workspace URL on Slack, step by step. This is something you often need when setting up integrations, inviting teammates, connecting third-party tools, or troubleshooting access issues. If you've ever been asked for your Slack Workspace URL and weren't sure where to find it, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Slack's homepage, or directly open Slack in your browser if you're already signed in. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to find the URL. Once Slack loads, look at the left-hand sidebar. At the top, you'll see your workspace name. Hover your mouse over the workspace name or the admin options next to it. If you have the right permissions, you'll see an option related to workspace settings or administration. From the menu, click on the option that says Edit Workspace or Workspace Settings. This will open the administration area for your Slack workspace in a new page or tab. Now that you're in the Workspace Settings area, look for a section called Name and URL. This section controls both the display name of your workspace and the unique URL that Slack assigns to it. Click on Name and URL to open the details. Once you're on this page, you'll see your workspace name at the top, and just below it, the full workspace URL. This URL usually ends with slack.com and includes your workspace's unique identifier. This is the exact workspace URL that you can use for sharing, integrations, or account setup. To use it, simply highlight the URL with your mouse, right-click, and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut to copy it. That's it. You've now successfully found and copied your Slack workspace URL. You can paste this URL anywhere it's needed, whether that's in a form, an app integration, or an email to your team. As a quick tip, if you don't see the Admin or Edit Workspace options, it may mean you don't have admin permissions. In that case, you'll need to ask a Workspace admin to either provide the URL or grant you access. And that's all there is to it. Finding your Slack Workspace URL only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Slack and productivity tool guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.